Hi, I'm Angela Arnold, and today we're going to look at using the Weebly two-column layout. That's right there on the basic design tab. We're going to go over to two-column element, and we'll pull that down onto our page. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put it down here in the middle of the page. And you can see what Weebly does. It has this highlighted red box. It tells you exactly where the element that you're putting on the page is going to go. Okay, so now we have a design element there. You cannot type this directly into the design element, but you can see that we have two columns set up right here. So I'm going to put a paragraph in each column so that I can type a paragraph in each column. And what I'm going to do is just basically cut and paste from what we had in our last session about the frustrated MLMer to show you how it goes in here. I click on to the paragraph. It highlights so that it means it's live. I can start typing in there, and whatever I type is going to be in the box. So I'm going to paste, and I'll click outside of the element so you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay, and click outside. So we have the Dear Frustrated MLMer in there. Now for this one, I'm going to copy this, just like you would with Word or any other thing. I'm right click, I'm going to copy, and I want to put that into this same box here. So I'm going to click there, I'm going to start, I press the enter button twice, and now I'm going to cut and paste it right in there. And I'm going to click over here, and I will do the same thing with this element. I can always add to something a little bit later. So now I've copied both of those things into the two-paragraph document, and I'm going to get rid of this one. Easy to get rid of something with Weebly. I just click on the box with the red X there. Are you sure you want to remove this element? I'll say yes, because once it's gone, and you cannot retrieve it. So I'll just say delete. And as that page loads, this is what my page would look like right now. I've got two columns. If you want more than two columns, you can have more than two columns. Let's take a look at how that might look. First of all, let's pull the two-column element down and put it inside of that. And I can give myself, let me copy all of this. And there it is, right there into that element. So now I have one column there. I can do the same thing here if I want to. Put a paragraph in there. Click onto it. Copy and paste. Now I've got the same thing in here. I didn't copy over the Dear Frustrated MLMer, but let's copy the whole thing here. And I can do this again. Copy. Put a paragraph. Oh no, wait just a second. I'm going to have to put the two-column element down there first. Delete that. Let me start over again. Let me put the two-column element in here. Okay. Should go live. Okay, I have the two-column element there. I'm going to put a paragraph in there. Computer's running slow a little bit. I'll put a paragraph element in there. Click on it. Copy and paste. Same thing as there. Do the same thing here with my paragraph. Click on it. Copy and paste. You have to click outside of the box to see what it looks like, and so for some reason I didn't copy the Dear Frustrated MLMer in here, but you'll see what it looks like. Basically I have 4 identical columns. I can create 3 columns if I want to. Let's get rid of this column. It's a little bit bogus. I'll show you how to do the 3 columns. Let's get rid of this element. Yep. And all of its contents, and I want to get rid of this and all of its contents, and I want to get rid of the two-column element. Okay, get rid of the 2-column element. Yep. Okay, so now I have actually 3 columns, and I can just set them so that they're going to be approximately the same size. I can drag and drop a paragraph element down here. I can click onto it, and I can copy and paste. Click outside of the box, see what it looks like. And now I have 3 columns that are showing you pretty much the same thing. So I can do any number of columns in Weebly. I can just do 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I can go on up to whatever, but that would be ridiculous to do too many. But in any case, now you know how to use the 2-column element in Weebly.